Explorer Ship Report, posted by u/Asian Goose over on r/HFY. Subject: Report of Exploration Mission by HHS Evening Star. From Captain Manixer Komolast to His Highness Golovan Extaris Imperial Court. Greetings be upon His Highness Golovan. May the heaven bestow a long life and prosperous rule unto him. I have returned from our expeditionary mission to the southern part of the galaxy, given to me by this court. In the following report, you will find several potentially beneficial planets the Imperial Court could take action on. Maxim 4. Maxim 4 is a habitable planet, fourth of their giant star, Maxim Prime, formerly known as Sharkan 2374. The planet has 2 seasons near the equator and 4 in the northern and southern hemispheres. The landmass equates to roughly 66.8%, with many lakes and rivers. Probes sent to the surface indicate a slightly above imperial average temperature, moisture, and soil richness. The tropical and temperate region of this planet may be beneficial to be turned into farms, and the ocean into fish farms. Mining prospects on the planet have potential, with some precious and rare metals detected. Natural disasters don't happen often, but some volcanoes on the planet have showed signs of previous eruptions, along with several signs of ancient earthquakes and tsunamis. No signs of intelligent life were found, only several species of medium-sized predators, but the large herbivores could still pose a threat. Sieverts 3. Sieverts 3 is the third planet from their star, Sieverts Prime, or formerly known as Baikar 6831. The world is largely ocean, with about 86.2% of the surface being water, dotted with some large volcanic islands. The temperature is average, with heavy rainfall around the large islands above imperial standard rates. Shallow seas and rivers are present in and around large islands. These shallow seas could be used to farm fish, and the larger islands seem to have some amount of precious metals. The most prevalent natural disaster seems to be volcano eruptions, as we witnessed one ourselves while we were collecting the data of the probes. No intelligent life, but several large species of predatory fish and reptilians were documented, some exceeding 6 meters in length. Larger aquatic creatures roam the deeper oceans, but are commonly not a threat as they are mostly plankton feeders. Solar 3. Solar 3 is the third habitable planet from their star, Solar Prime, formerly known as Baikar 1276. The planet is similarly an ocean world, with 71.1% of the surface being water. The temperature is above imperial average, but some areas have extremely hot or extremely cold temperatures. Most landmass is situated on the tropical to northern hemisphere, containing various kinds of biomes. Volcanoes on the planet form some type of ring on the main lands and islands. The ocean is not as rich in comparison to the other planets, but some of the fish detected were gigantic. The soil of the planet, particularly in the volcano ring areas, are extremely rich and healthy, and some areas being situated within the tropical part of the planet makes ample place for farms. The weather is unpredictable and chaotic. Some areas saw a hot morning to afternoon before suddenly shifting to heavy rain. In other areas, temperatures could go down as low as -70 Celsius, or as high as 50 Celsius. Natural disasters happening on the planet include hurricanes bigger than our biggest recorded one, tsunamis taller than the width of our ship, earthquakes above level 9, and frequent volcanic eruptions. Intelligent life is detected on the planet, numbering some 8 billion. They managed space travels, but only within their star system. Data we collected from our probes and from their planetary communication networks indicated that these humans, as they called themselves, are hardier than those we have met before. It is beyond us how intelligent life could survive and thrive on this deadly and dangerous planet, but surely it will create a hardy sort of beings. I highly recommend that His Majesty would ally or at least leave these humans be. Their planet seems to be only suited for them and the creatures within. Reports on the flora, fauna, and intelligent inhabitants of these planets will be sent soon.